When it comes to maintaining a healthy home environment, indoor air quality is often overlooked. With pollutants like wildfire smoke, dust, pet dander, and odors infiltrating our living spaces, having an air purifier isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. This Vewior Air Purifier, a high-performance solution designed to tackle air quality challenges in large rooms up to 176 feet squared. In this detailed review, we'll break down why this air purifier is the ideal choice for modern households, its standout features, and how it can transform your indoor environment. Why choose Vewior Air Purifier? If you're on the hunt for a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly air purifier, the Vewior ticks all the boxes. It combines cutting-edge technology with thoughtful design to provide clean, fresh air for your home. Whether you're dealing with wildfire smoke, allergens, or pet odors, this air purifier offers unmatched performance, all in a sleek, compact package. Key features that make Vewior stand out. 1. High-performance 3-stage filter with 360-degree air intake. The Vewior Air Purifier employs a 3-stage purification system. Pre-filter captures larger particles like pet hair and dust. H13 True HEPA filter removes 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, including allergens, wildfire smoke, and pollen. Activated carbon filter absorbs odors and volatile organic compounds (VOCs), leaving your space smelling clean and fresh. The 360-degree air intake design ensures efficient purification by pulling in pollutants from all directions, making it perfect for large spaces. 2. Adjustable fan speeds and aromatherapy diffuser. The Vewior purifier features 3 adjustable fan speeds, 1F, 2F, 3F, allowing you to customize its performance based on your air quality needs. Plus, the built-in aromatherapy diffuser elevates your experience. Just add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the aroma pad and enjoy a clean, fragrant atmosphere. 3. Ultra-quiet sleep mode with warm nightlight. A peaceful night's sleep is invaluable, and the Vewior purifier ensures it with a sleep mode that reduces noise to a whisper-quiet 15 dB. Additionally, the optional warm nightlight adds a soothing glow, perfect for babies or elders. 4. Flexible timers and child lock feature. With 4 adjustable timers, 2, 4, 6, 8 hours, you can control the device's runtime to save energy. The child lock feature prevents accidental button presses, making it a worry-free choice for households with kids or pets. 5. Filter replacement reminder. The Vewior purifier includes a handy filter replacement indicator that alerts you after 1,440 hours of usage, ensuring optimal performance. For best results, filters should be replaced every 3 to 6 months. Who needs the Vewior air purifier? Allergy sufferers. Removes allergens like dust, pollen, and pet dander. Pet owners. Tackles pet odors and hair, creating a fresher environment. Families. The child lock and nightlight make it family-friendly. Light sleepers. Ultra-quiet operation ensures uninterrupted sleep. Homeowners in high-pollution areas. Effectively handles wildfire smoke and other pollutants. 5 reasons to love the Vewior air purifier. 1. Efficient coverage for large rooms, perfect for spaces up to 1,076 feet squared. It provides clean air for living rooms, bedrooms, and offices. 2. Customizable settings, from fan speeds to timers, you can tailor it to your specific needs. 3. Dual-purpose design, combines air purification with aromatherapy for a holistic experience. 4. Low maintenance, the filter replacement reminder ensures you're always breathing clean air. 5. Aesthetic appeal, sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any home decor. Conclusion, is the Vewior air purifier worth it? Absolutely. The Vewior air purifier offers a perfect blend of powerful performance, thoughtful features, and convenience. Whether you're battling wildfire smoke, allergens, or just want a fresher home, this purifier is a worthy investment. Its sleek design, ultra-quiet operation, and added aromatherapy feature make it a standout choice in today's crowded market. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.